AI-powered smart condition monitoring with IIoT sensors. Expensive plant downtimes often occur unexpectedly, but you can prevent them. SITRANS SCM IQ offers smart condition monitoring of your machinery. The solution is based in SITRANS MS200 multi-sensors. They collect important machine data in the field, including vibrations and temperature. Industrial standards such as Protection Class IP69 make the sensor especially resistant to dust and water. Replaceable batteries ensure a long service life and sustainable product use. Installation and commissioning do not require any wiring and can be managed entirely on your own. The multi-sensor transmits the collected data to the SITRANS CC220 Cloud Connect gateway via Bluetooth. SITRANS CC220 acts as a connector between several MS200 sensors and transmits the encrypted data securely from the field level to the cloud. Anomaly detection uses machine learning. Sensor data is continuously analyzed and deviations reliably detected. The mobile SITRANS SCM IQ app reports critical deviations from the normal operating state of the monitored machine components at an early stage. Monitor as many multi-sensors as your system needs. The SITRANS SCM IQ system is scalable, from the smallest applications to comprehensive plant monitoring. This allows you to prevent costly downtimes and enables predictive maintenance.